Good morning, Michael. It's Rich from Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Thank you for your phone call last night on the 58 Impala. I've actually taken it out of the shop for a minute so that I could do a little walk around video to show you the car and start it up. You get to hear it. We're getting ready to finish up on our service, and then I'm going to get all the information that you had asked me for sent over to you, and we will go from there. So I wanted to introduce myself, and I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the car. Just so you see that we have a brick and mortar store and a 57 T-Bird, which is not what you're looking for, but this amazing 58 is what you're looking for. This car is absolutely stunning. We're just finishing up our checkout on it, and the service will get completed. We have a few things that we need to do. The car drives like a dream. We have floor mats on order, so please don't be nervous about those. Let's open up the hood, and then we're going to start it up. I will go through all of the information on the engine and report back to you as we discussed. Okay, we are cold. Lights are on. Not sure if the radio does work. We have our checkout sheet. We have this, which has some interesting information. Nice and smooth. That's it. I hope this was helpful, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.